If you are a service provider, a sales professional, or a business owner in the United States, you know that time is quite literally your most valuable currency. We have moved past the days of simple link sharing. In 2026, scheduling is about orchestration, AI assistance, and reducing the friction between a hello and a booked. Today, we are putting the two titans of the industry head to head, Calendly versus Acuity scheduling. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which tool should be managing your calendar this year. We will look at their latest 2026 updates, their updated pricing models, and which one provides the best experience for your US-based clients. If you are following along, I will be referencing the live pages for both tools so you can see these interfaces in action. Let us start with Calendly. If you visit calendly.com today, you will see a platform that has evolved from a simple booking link into what they now call a meeting lifecycle platform. In 2026, Calendly has doubled down on the needs of the modern sales and recruiting teams. Their biggest breakthrough this year is the introduction of Calendly AI agents. These are not just basic bots, they are scheduling assistants that live in your browser and your email. If you are a US-based sales rep, you know the pain of back-and-forth emails. Calendly AI now acts as a buffer. It can read an incoming email, understand the sender's intent, check your availability across multiple calendars, including your personal and professional ones, and suggest the optimal time without you ever lifting a finger. It even accounts for travel time and buffer zones that you have set for your specific time zone. For teams, Calendly has introduced the Routing Forms 2.0. If you look at their features page, you will see how this works. You can now qualify leads directly on your website with smarter, AI-driven questions. Based on their answers, Calendly can automatically route them to the correct department or team member, ensuring that high-value US leads are booked with your top closers instantly. It eliminates the speed-to-lead problem that kills so many deals in 2026. Now, let us flip over to Acuity scheduling. If you go to acuityscheduling.com, which is now deeply integrated into the Squarespace ecosystem, you will see a very different focus. While Calendly is built for the meeting-heavy professional, Acuity is built for the service-heavy business. If you are a consultant, a health professional, or a studio owner in the US, Acuity is likely already on your radar. In 2026, Acuity's standout feature is the complete client journey customization. It is no longer just about picking a time on a grid. You can build out multi-step booking flows that include intake forms, digital waivers, and sophisticated payment triggers. Their 2026 update includes a built-in AI commerce assistant. This assistant helps you optimize your no-show protections. It analyzes client behavior and suggests whether you should require a full deposit or just a card on file based on that specific client's history. For US-based users who care about branding, Acuity remains the king of customization. You can make the booking page look and feel exactly like your own website. In 2026, they have added new brand styles that automatically pull colors and fonts from your Squarespace site or your uploaded style guide. When your client goes to book an appointment, they never feel like they have left your digital storefront. Let us talk about the head-to-head comparison of pricing and value for 2026. Calendly has simplified its structure this year to reflect its focus on teams. Their standard plan starts at $12 per month, which is great for individuals who need more than one event type. Their Teams plan, which is their most popular for US businesses, starts at $16 per month per user. This unlocks the powerful routing forms and the AI scheduling agents. If you are a larger enterprise, their custom pricing now includes advanced security and administrative controls that are vital for HIPAA or SOC 2 compliance, which is a major factor for US healthcare and legal firms. Acuity has moved away from a completely free tier and now offers a starter plan at $16 per month. However, where Acuity shines is in their growing and powerhouse tiers. For $27 or $49 per month, you get features that Calendly simply does not offer, such as the ability to sell gift certificates, subscriptions, and appointment packages. For a US service business, these features often pay for the subscription itself by increasing the average order value of every client who visits the site. So, how do the interfaces stack up in 2026? Calendly is the winner for speed and simplicity. Its dashboard is clean, minimalist, and very easy to navigate. You can set up a new event type in under 3 minutes. For the busy executive or the remote worker who just wants a link that works perfectly every time, Calendly is hard to beat. Their mobile app has also been rebuilt in 2026 to include one-tap scheduling, which is perfect for US professionals who are always on the move between meetings. Acuity, on the other hand, has a slightly steeper learning curve because it does so much more. The dashboard feels like a full business management suite. You can see your revenue reports, manage your client list, and even send out automated marketing emails directly from the platform. In 2026, they have added an AI-powered revenue forecast tool that looks at your upcoming bookings and predicts your monthly income, helping small business owners in the US manage their cash flow more effectively. One major differentiator we have to discuss this year is payment processing. Both tools integrate with Stripe and PayPal, which are the standards for US transactions. However, Acuity's integration is much deeper. It handles complex tax calculations for different US states and can automatically apply tipping options at checkout, which is a huge feature for service providers in the beauty and wellness industries. Calendly handles payments well for simple consultations, but it lacks the point-of-sale feel that Acuity provides. Another factor for 2026 is the AI follow-up. Calendly has introduced AI-generated meeting summaries that sync directly with your CRM. After a call is booked and completed, Calendly can actually draft a follow-up email based on the meeting type and send it to your lead. Acuity focuses its AI on retention. It will look at your client list and flag people who haven't booked in a while, suggesting you send them a personalized discount code or a "We miss you" message to keep your calendar full. Choose Calendly if you are a sales professional, a recruiter, or a corporate team where efficiency and integration are the goals. If you live in your inbox and your primary goal is to get people into meetings as fast as possible with the help of AI, Calendly is the best tool for the job. It is the gold standard for meeting orchestration in the US corporate world. Choose Acuity Scheduling if you are a service-based business owner where the client experience and revenue management are your top priorities. If you need to sell packages, collect detailed intake information, or manage a complex service menu, Acuity is the superior platform. It is not just a calendar, it is a mini CRM and a payment processor all rolled into one. Both platforms offer a 14-day free trial, and in 2026, I highly recommend using that time to test their AI features specifically. See if the Calendly AI agent actually saves you time on your emails, or if the Acuity Revenue Assistant gives you better clarity on your business growth. If you like this video, check out these other video recommendations below. Please leave your comments, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.